Are you thinking about starting your own business or in the early stages of your journey? At Neath Port Talbot Council, we're here to help with business grants designed to support new enterprises. We know launching a business can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Our funding is available across a range of sectors, helping businesses like yours take the next step. To find out if you're eligible, follow the instructions on our website. If you meet the criteria, you'll need to submit a full application, including key documents such as a cash flow forecast and relevant quotes. If you're ready to take the next step, why not get started today? With your passion and our support, we can build a stronger Neath Port Talbot together. We look forward to supporting you on your journey.